So here's the 80 millimeter fan holder. Um, for the G90. I'm not sure which way they want it to go on. I already broke it. And it kind of sucks because it took like 5 hours to print. Um, I was able to successfully double my print speed on some other stuff. And then I tried the same thing on another printer and it didn't work. But I guess these tabs, you got to clean them up, and then you have to like take the rails off the side here and then slide this holder into here. And then I don't really know which way they intend the fan to be. It's a strange design because if you look at it, I don't know, I mean the fan's just going to be right here. This is going to be flat up against the bottom of the radio. Let's see if I have a appropriate Allen wrench here. Okay. Doesn't want to go in. So these here got to be cleaned up. So I guess it was a thoughtful design, but I think if I read correctly, the guy never tested it. So both of those snapped off. It's just too thin. You can't make it that thin. And it was sit in above the line here. So what I'll probably end up doing, because it's going to be crooked, I'm just going to go ahead and do this. It's already snapped anyway. Just snap them off. So you end up with something like this, and it'll sit on the bottom of your radio. You put a fan right here, I guess. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I'm not sure what these are for. Maybe he was going to put legs there. I don't know. Don't make sense to me. Some weird stuff. I mean, I can't even begin to figure out why this guy designed this thing the way he did. It's supposed to be like that, maybe? I don't know. So, wires maybe? I don't know. So this was kind of a waste of time to print. And I'm not using PLA. This is PETG. But you can't have it that small and expect it to not snap. So anyway, I could put a fan on here, do all that fun stuff. Here's my VFO knob. So since I don't actually use this radio that much, I'm not going to put the permanent VFO knob on it. So, anyway, bummer deal. Didn't work. But, I mean, if you're handy with CAD, then maybe you can go in and manipulate this. It's a good foundation for the start of it. The dimensions are the right size for that part. But, like, basically, I don't know, you would put a fan in here, and here's the issue. You could set the radio down on something, and if it was a little taller, it actually could sit like that, right? Well, I don't know. It's strange because it doesn't even make sense when you really look at it. You're like, well, what's this hole for? Other than to just, you know, whatever. So you I think maybe it was supposed to be used in conjunction with a prop of legs. So you prop it up with legs and you have a fan here. So cool idea, but you know, not gonna work. If you made the pieces on the side twice as thick, it would have probably worked. And then the other thing is that the dimensions of the pieces they're too thick to get in between the heatsink here. It needs to be more like that. Anyway, cool idea.